Hello everyone, Kane Animations here. I have a very special idea. So we're going to be starting an event called the RO Scale Sandbox Series Engine of the Year. Now, what is this exactly? Well, it's basically where you get to choose your favorite RO Scale Sandbox Series engine. And you'll be able to vote in the description. And yeah. So here's all the characters. So we have Tyler, Robert, Class 55, Speed's brother number 1, Hank, his face is temporarily, the useless Diesel, Alfred, Wilbur Audrey, Speed's brother number 2, Santa, Rudolph, Grandpa, Speed, Freddy, Diesel, Unknown Diesel, Polar Bear, and Mechanical Brute. Alright, well, those are the engines y'all can choose from. And all of that will be in the description below. Okay, bye.